Hello, welcome to the parshealthTV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about the 10 best abs exercises for beginners. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Everyone wants a toned up, high definition, solid set of six-pack abs, and for good reason. They are the most iconic visual of both health and hard work. There isn't an easy way to get a six-pack. Media sources that keep pushing a six-pack in 6 minutes aren't doing anyone favors except themselves. But for those who are starting an outlet, this is a warning. If you really want a solid muscular stomach, you really need to work on your muscles. In today's video, we are going to be sharing with you 10 of the easiest and the most effective abs workouts. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Number 10. Plank. By keeping your belly button drawn in and challenging your stability throughout your shoulders, core, and hips, you're building strong abs. To do this exercise, lie in a prone push-up position with forearms resting on the floor. Your elbows should be under your shoulders and bent 90 degrees. Push up off the elbows, tucking your chin so your head is in line with your body. Keep your head in line with your spine, and the belly button is drawn in. Hold for 1 minute. Do 2 sets of 60 seconds hold, with 60 seconds of rest between sets. Number 9. Swiss ball leg rollout. This not only works your abs by challenging your stability on the ball, but it also stretches the muscles of the lower back. To do this exercise, get in a push-up position with your shins on a Swiss ball. Pull your knees to the chest until the toes are on top of the ball. Return to the starting position. Be sure to keep your belly button in and shoulders pushed away from the ball. Do it for 2 sets of 10 reps with 30 seconds rest between sets. Number 8. Bird dog crunch. Stronger abs don't develop overnight. You'll have to first learn how to activate your core. For this essential true beginner core exercise, start on the floor on all fours, hands placed directly underneath your shoulders, hips in line with your knees. This is your starting position. Lift your right hand and extend your arm straight out and on you, keeping it shoulder height, while simultaneously lifting your left leg and extending it straight back. Your whole body should be in a straight line from right fingertips to left toes. Bring your left leg to touch your right elbow under your stomach. Extend your leg and arm out again. Return to the starting position. Repeat on the other side. Do 5 reps on each side. Number 7. Standing bicycle crunches. Do traditional crunches cause discomfort? Ruben suggests this true beginner variation instead. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, hands placed behind your head. With a tight core, straight back and relaxed shoulders, lift your right leg and simultaneously raise your right knee and lower your left elbow towards each other. Return to the starting position. Repeat on the opposite side. Do 5 reps on each side. The medicated version of this exercise is also effective. If rotating your upper body downwards is too difficult, simply lift your knee to your chest while keeping your upper body still, alternating legs. Number 6. Mountain climbers. Start in a push-up position, with the balls of your feet on the ground. Alternate driving your knees forward to their corresponding arms for 30 seconds. Keep your hips down for the entire motion. To do this exercise, you should be like a mountain climber working a wall. You're using the abs and hip flexors to climb. Do this exercise for 2 sets of 30 seconds with 30 seconds rest between sets. Number 5. Seated leg lifts. Don't be fooled by this basic looking leg lift. Beginners to even more advanced folks will start feeling the burn after a few reps. Sit on the floor, legs extended straight out in front of you. Keeping your core engaged, lean back slightly, so you're able to place your hands on either side of your glutes. Take a deep breath and lift one leg 6 inches off the ground. Hold for 5 seconds and then put it down. Repeat with the other leg. Continue alternating for 1 minute straight, then take a 20 seconds break. Repeat for 5 rounds. Modification for this exercise is to lift one leg at a time without stopping to hold each one extended for 5 seconds. Need more of a challenge? After lifting a heel, bring your knee into your chest, then extend your heel back out and lower down. Repeat on the opposite side. Number 4. Modified bicycle crunch. Start in the same neutral position as the sit-up, sitting with knees bent, heels flat on the floor, hands on either side of your head. Bring the right knee and left elbow towards one another, with a simple and gentle twist. Return to the start position. Complete the movement with the left knee and right elbow. Continue for 1 minute straight, then take a 20 seconds break. Repeat for 5 rounds. This is a major progression from the sit-up, so if this movement is tough for you, keep practicing sit-ups. Number 3. V-sit crunch. Start on your back with hands extended over your head. Lift your legs and crunch up at the same time, forming your body into the shape of a V. Exhale as you lift your legs, and crunch and inhale as you return to the starting position. For all of the abs challenging reasons of a traditional crunch, but also because it keeps you from putting unnecessary torque on your neck and using momentum to complete the crunch. 2 sets of 30 seconds with 60 seconds rest between sets. Number 2. Reverse crunch. The reverse crunch is even better than the standard crunch for strengthening your abs. The move keeps your muscles under tension for a longer period and hits the tricky to target lower abs particularly hard. Lie down and raise your legs so your thighs are vertical and your knees are bent at a 90 degrees angle. Contract your abs to bring your knees to your chest and raise your hips off the floor, then slowly lower your legs back to the start. Number 1. Russian twist. It's worth mastering the basic version of this exercise because it hits the oft-neglected obliques, and often fitness classes throw people in at the deep end with more difficult variations. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and heels resting on the ground. Lean back so that your torso is at 45 degrees. Keep your chest up to stop you from hunching your back. Interlock your fingers and extend your arms in front of you. Turn your torso to the left or right, bringing your hands to touch the ground on that side. Rotate back to center and then carry on to touch the opposite side. Once you've mastered the movement, make it more difficult by raising your heels off the floor and/or holding a weight. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.